KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing brie and caramelized onion chicken filos. Right, really simple. Let's get on with it. First thing I've got is a chicken breast. I'm simply going to cut off the tenderloin. I want to keep that for a later date. You can refreeze that if you want to. Just put that in a freezer bag, put that in the refrigerator, and any other little bits that you might have left over, you can do the same, and we can make another meal later on with that. Now, I'm just using my fish filleting knife. I'm going to put that around about a third of the way down, maybe halfway, and what we want is some nice thin pieces of this chicken breast. Now, you can leave them a little bit thicker if you want, like that one, and I'm putting these on individual pieces of oven paper or baking paper, because all we're simply going to do now is get our meat mallet and give those a little bit of a wacky and just thin them out a little bit, get them a little bit of an even size and thickness all the way through. How simple is that? Just continue with the rest of your chicken breast pieces like I'm doing right there, and then we can start making up our little filos. Now, if you haven't had a chicken filo before, especially using chicken breast, don't know what you're missing, and it's so easy. I'm going to put one piece of filo pastry down. I'll buy the fresh filo instead of the frozen. A lot easier to work with. Right, a second piece on top, and in between each layer you want a little bit of either a spray oil or some melted butter. Just brush that on there. It's going to help this go nice and crunchy and keep everything sticking together. Right, another little spray of oil, and that's just the canola oil that I buy from my supermarket. Put our piece of beaten out chicken breast down, a little bit of caramelized onion. I'll show you how to make caramelized onion in a separate recipe, or you can also use a store-bought caramelized onion. It is available in some delicatessens and supermarkets. Nice piece of brie straight over like that. Give that a little bit of black pepper. I'm using pre-ground for this one, and a little bit of salt, because the brie cheese is not that salty. Fold the chicken breast over on itself like I've done there, and all we simply have to do now is roll this up like a nice big pillow. Just roll that from the lower side to the upper side, and in between each fold, as I said once before, make sure you use a little bit of lubricant or spray oil or the butter. Right, so we've just folded those edges over, another quick hit of the oil, and we've made this little pillow. And how easy is that? Now, my oven is already sitting at 180 degrees Celsius, right? And all we have to simply do, put those onto a baking tray, and I'm going to bake those for around about 40 minutes. I'm just going to show you one more time how I do this. The caramelized onion goes on top, the brie folded over, make a little pillow, and there they go. So there's all my little filos all made up. A little bit of spray oil over the top is going to help them go nice and crunchy like that, and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of oregano on the top. It's going to give it a hint of a herby type flavour, but also it just looks really good when you take it out of the oven. So as I said, around about 40 minutes is all they're going to take. You can also check that with a thermometer. We want an internal temperature of around about 74 degrees Celsius. Right, there we go, 40 minutes later. How good do they look? As you can see, with the brie and the caramelized onion, you do get a little bit of leakage. Don't worry about that, it tastes really good. I'm going to cut one in half, let you see what it looks like inside. Right, and as I said, so simple to make and quite budget focused as well. I'd like to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, it should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make something pretty quick, easy, really tasty, and looks great, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button, you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Right, I'm off with these Brie and Caramelised chicken filos, and I will catch you next time. Bye!